Now then, another great thing with this system, not on all Range Rovers, Land Rovers, I think it was an extra. So if we go to music, we've got Pink Floyd here. I'll just turn it down, and then here, home menu, there you go. Now it's already playing there. If I turn this up, I'll turn that up first, turn that up, and then I'll use the volume on here. But here, you see there, Land Rover at the bottom, red triangle, 3 red circles, Land Rover. If for any reason the Land Rover's not there, just touch that. It would probably be on iPhone or whatever phone you've got, but Land Rover, so make sure there's a tick next to there. So if I turn this up now, there you go. There is a possibility when you click onto audio, it won't be showing your phone. Now what you have to do here, there's a plus at the source and there's a plus at the end. You click that and you see there you get a choice. So we'll go back. So from any screen, it's playing on here. I'll turn it up a little bit so we don't have to wait. You go to audio. That's got auxiliary selected, so it's not playing. You can see Land Rover there is checked and it's showing. So we go to source and then click your phone. And that's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.